Gainesville.
And such a scary situation, and we were watching our storms roll through, and of course the flooding rain that we had, still waiting for the water to recede. This will help. A live look over the Detroit River. You can see some blue sky, some sunshine, so at least we're not looking at any rain today. The next opportunity will be tomorrow evening. We're going to get through the Tigers game, I believe, without any rain interruption, but as we get into the evening hours, we start to increase our chance for rain to return. As a matter of fact, the rain Friday night into Saturday could be heavy for some, maybe another inch possible. Don't need that, I know, but we'll be tracking it as we head into the weekend. Cooler temperatures will follow on the backside of the weekend, even a little bit of a mix possible on Monday. So yeah, we're going to flip the switch. It is nice out there right now. I know it's real windy, but at least our temperatures at 62 degrees, a southwest wind at 26 miles per hour and a gust of 36. When we look at the front that moved through, it has passed off to our east at this point, so it is pushing in the right direction to dry things out. Following that cold front, you can see those storms developing on the south side of that front where that warm air lies. And again, we're on the mild side of things as well. So we're going to get rid of some of the cloud cover from time to time as we go through the day today. I think it's generally going to be a mix of sun and clouds for a good part of the day. 61 degrees right now in Ann Arbor, 59, a little bit cooler for you in Pontiac. We talked about that 62 in Detroit and 63 degrees Monroe. A good part of Metro Detroit enjoying some sunshine. Huge temperature change from yesterday. You remember, our temperatures just kept rising. Our overnight lows warmer than our daytime highs yesterday. We kind of flip-flop things, but right now, when we do a little comparison to this time yesterday, we're up 25 to almost 30 degrees. That is certainly significant. We do have those west winds, and they are strong. 37-mile-per-hour wind right now. That is the gust in Jackson at Pontiac as well. Up to 36 in Detroit. When we look at some of the peak gusts we've had so far and the timing on it, 41-mile-per-hour wind gusts at Metro Airport just after midnight, 40 in Pontiac this morning, just shy of 11 a.m. And Troy, you were up there too at 38-mile-per-hour wind gusts at 6:15. So the winds will continue to be strong as we go through the afternoon, dropping off a bit for the evening. Still breezy overnight, just not quite as strong. You see those gusts upwards of 35 to almost 40 miles per hour until the evening. But it does push our temperatures up, so at least we'll get to about 60, if not low 60s for a lot of us as we go through the afternoon. The chance for rain stays to our south. Good news there. Tomorrow morning we're dry. Great news for, of course, tailgating. And then the game looks dry. We get toward the evening hours closer to about 5 or 6 o'clock, and that's when we could see a few showers. That continues into Saturday, and some of that could be on the heavier side. So upper 50s to low 60s today. Just make sure you have your layers tomorrow. It's going to be chilly for tailgating. Temperatures in the 50s by the afternoon. We'll stay in the 50s with that rain arriving for the first part of the weekend.